So Piper's moving around just fine right now. She's enjoying going for a walk. Sorry, pulling the wagon in case she gets tired out, because she's been stumbling lately. Her eyesight seems to have gotten worse suddenly. She seems a little disoriented at times. She gets shaky when she's just standing. Even to the point of, like wobbling, and she has to catch herself. So there was a nice vet up the street. It's only a couple miles away. And they have an availability today. So we are going to go down there and see what's going on. I don't want to jump to conclusions, but the only thing that's changed really in her environment is that I've been giving her those healthful treats. There's 3 different ones. So, of course, I stopped giving her those, and I've been trying to give her supplemental encouragement for calories, just because she is an older dog, and she's still very fit. She's still in great shape, but, older dogs sometimes need a little bit more, and because she's not exactly feeling well, and she doesn't show it here, but when we get to where she's standing still, she will. So we will catch up with you when we get up to the vet.